Do you actually know where the tiny invisible chips inside your smartphone are made? Apple just made a massive geopolitical and financial move by signing a jaw-dropping $30 billion multi-year deal with Broadcom to design and manufacture over 15 billion custom wireless connectivity chips, and they are doing it right here in the United States. To help make this massive order a reality, Apple is injecting $1.5 billion in direct capital expenditure to dramatically expand Broadcom's manufacturing facility, located in Fort Collins, Colorado. This is a massive win for domestic tech production. Broadcom is already the primary hardware supplier for the wireless components that let your iPhone connect to Wi-Fi and cell towers, so this deal deepens a relationship that is already absolutely critical to Apple's supply chain. But there is a much bigger political game being played here. This massive contract is actually part of a much larger pledge Apple made to invest a staggering $600 billion into the U.S. economy over the next 4 years. This promise didn't just come out of nowhere. It was a direct response to intense political pressure from the Trump administration. Remember when Trump was threatening to slap massive new tariffs on Apple products unless they moved their core iPhone manufacturing out of Asia and back into the States? While the administration eventually backed down on the tariff threats, and the actual final assembly of the iPhone still happens overseas, Apple had to show they were committed to American infrastructure. They are promising that this specific Broadcom partnership is going to create hundreds of high-paying American jobs. Now, if we are being completely honest, a few hundred jobs sounds a little bit small when you are talking about a $30 billion price tag. But in the world of highly automated, ultra-advanced semiconductor manufacturing, the real value isn't just in the headcount. It is about securing the supply chain, keeping the intellectual property close to home, and making sure that the next generation of wireless technology is actually stamped with a Made in America label.